Is your PlayStation 5 stubbornly refusing to wake up, leaving you stranded in gaming purgatory? Let's dive in to get you back in the game. Starting with the basics. Step 1. The power cable. Make sure it's securely plugged into both your PS5 and the wall outlet. Often, the simplest solution is the right one. Step 2. Check the outlet. Is your outlet actually supplying power? Try plugging another device into the same outlet to ensure it's working. If the outlet is faulty, switch to a different one. Alright, let's move to step 3. The power button. Give the power button on your PS5 a firm press. Don't just tap it. Hold it down for a few seconds. Sometimes the console needs a little extra encouragement. Step 4. Consider a system reset. If the console is on, but unresponsive, try a soft reset by holding down the power button for about 15 seconds until it completely shuts off. Then, try turning it back on. Finally, step 5 is the warranty and support. If none of these steps work, it might be a hardware failure. Check your warranty information. Contact PlayStation support and explore your options for repair or replacement, ensuring you can get back to gaming ASAP and minimizing the disruption.